Hi, my name is Sheyi Obasi and I live in Ontario, Canada. If you have your mind set on coming to Canada to live permanently, then this short video is for you. First of all, I want to let you know that there are basically three ways that you can come to Canada. You can either relocate using any of the Federal Express entry schemes that's coming as a skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, or as a student. Sadly, I still see people trying to come to Canada using the wrong route or being deceived by unscrupulous agents. Please note that the federal skilled programs, that's the express entry for skilled workers and also for trade workers, has been paused since about February of 2021 because of the COVID. So Canada is not inviting people for these programs. So if there's an agent or someone that is telling you that they can get you a work permit, get you a job, get visas for your family, and then bring you to Canada in 2 to 3 months, they are probably lying to you and they probably want to dupe you. I'm just saying. So for now, if you want to come to Canada, one of the best ways to come is as a student. And I'm going to show you how to do that. As soon as the express entry opens up, I'll also be bringing out a program that will show you how to come to Canada under the Federal Express Entry schemes. But for now, please come to Canada as a student. And the no-hassle Nigeria to Canada Japa system shows you step by step exactly how to do that. I don't want you to lose hope. No matter your age, no matter how long you've tried, no matter your level, you can come to Canada to study. And please hurry up because things are changing all the time. I mean, who knew that express entry will be paused for almost 1 year now? Who knew that Canada will have heaps and heaps and heaps of unprocessed applications? Nobody knows when the federal express entry will open up. So you can come to Canada as a student at any age. And if you want to know how to do that, you don't want to know how to learn more, you want me to help you through the process, just click the link below, grab the no-hassle Nigeria to Canada Japa system, and I'll take it from there. I'll talk to you later. Bye.